Just rolled out this McLane edger. This is a 801 3RP model, 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton, older model. I picked this up from Goodwill about 4 years ago. When I got it home, I started it up, started great, and tried to actually use it. The only thing was, when I started trying to edge with it, this blade was spinning around. So the first thing I did was, well, let me just tighten it. As I tried to tighten the nut, which I don't have anymore, I couldn't tighten it really because the shaft here end was stripped out, as you can see. So that's pretty much why it was donated at the time. After looking it over a little more, I realized that I really don't like the design of it with the Allen screw there. Today I wanted to take the shaft off anyway. That was my intent. And after I had it out here for a little bit, I thought, well, maybe I can start it up. It hasn't been started in about 4 years. Check the oil. Oil level is good. Oil still looks good in it. Yeah, let's try to start it up here. So it's a cold start. Hasn't been started in over 4 years. I've looked in here and noticed that there is a little bit of gas. It's not enough to start it. It's probably enough to mess up the carburetor, so hopefully that's not the case. Filter here. Look to be, it's like a snapper item there, part. Yeah, there's a filter on it. That spring looks kind of rigged up there, but it did start. It did start 4 years ago, and it started and ran pretty well. So let's try to start it today. I'm going to get some gas out. I don't know if I said, but this is a Briggs & Stratton 3 horsepower. Good looking edger here. Still got to get this Goodwill sticker off. Nice paint job. Also, I'll show you how to take the belt off. But yeah, let's go ahead and put some gas and try to start it up. I'm just going to put some degreaser here on this linkage. So we'll be putting it here on choke. Pretty much stuck there. Dang. Don't remember this. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to try to start it with without using any kind of starter fluid at first. I'll just put gas in it and we'll choke it and try to start it first. Okay, I really should have drained that old gas out, even though it was just a little bit. All right, so here we got some starter fluid here. Sounds really nice. Yeah, it's a nice machine. Let's go ahead and take that shaft off. All right, so I'm going to take this pulley guard off right here. Get a closer look at what we're doing. Okay, so the pulley is connected to the shaft. Let me show you how to get the belt off. To get the belt off, let's see if we can do it here. Let's go to this blade angle here and take this over to the side, one end, like that, and see if we've got, that's still real tight. Yeah, so to get it off, we'll just take the bar up here and move it all the way back to this position here, and that's going to allow us to remove the belt off the pulley here. We can pull this up as well and see how much slack we've got there. Also, I'll have to remove the pulley guard here. Just to get the shaft, I'm not going to take that off, but if I were to remove the belt, I would have to take that off. That's held on by two screws here. I think this socket's a little big. This is I think this is a 9. I'm not sure what that is, but you know, pretty easy to do. Just get that off, take it off, and then you completely remove your V-belt here. This is a VL300 belt. It is a 1/2 inch wide by 30 inches. So if you need a belt, that's what you're going to go for. And then as soon as you get it back on there, you know, just put it in any position here besides that one, and it's tight again. There's no getting it off. So that's how to get that off. Okay, so let's loosen it up to get the shaft off, and let's go ahead and take it off. Okay, so all right, so I'm just going to tap it on this end here using a 2x4. As you can see, it's one piece. Gonna have some ball bearings. They may stay in place. Ball bearings over here, one set here, and one set back here. And there's the shaft right there. So that's what I need. Again, I don't like the setup of it. You can grease right here with the fitting. That's pretty good. I like that. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to change this out with the you know, the OEM part, or if I'm going to just modify it somehow. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now, so I've got to either decide on ordering that or finding something to modify it for a different setup. But that's the McLane, again, 4.5 years later from when I bought it. Nice machine. I'd love to start using this, but I need to get that taken care of because can't edge without it. It's no good without getting that part replaced. So anyway, I guess that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and until next time, have a great day and take care.